Alright, what's up everyone, to another video, Full Speed Impulse, and today we are working on the XR100, starting our build off today, and first thing we gotta do is tear it down before we can build it up. So this here is a Honda XR100, 1998, and this thing here is bone stock, guys. That is original as far as size tires. They come with big wheels on them already, stock suspension, stock exhaust. The only thing that is aftermarket on these is the bars, and we got a little shifter on this guy. But that is why we got a nice pile of goodies over here to do this build. We're talking about suspension, big boards, carbs, new plastic, and we even got some stuff to paint that frame up and make her look good. KBS coming in hot. Try to get us that factory white, guys, making it look original. With a couple upgrades we got for this thing, it's going to make it pop and just look just right. So enough talking, guys. We're just gonna get right at it. Let's tear this thing down and see what we actually purchased. Alright guys, so there she is, broken all the way down to the motor. It's got a frame over there. Had a little spot in there, but we already took care of it. She was a little tweaked, but we just tweaked her back. We might actually weld in some supports maybe, and brace this maybe like in here, in the corners, but do some gussets, but we'll see what happens. Motor here, it's going to get the 120 BBR big bore kit with the cam. It's going to get a 22 mil Mikuni carb or a Nibby carb, which is the one that's become a little bit more popular off of Amazon and all that. But we already have the 22 Mikuni, so we're probably going to do that just because why spend more money? Got a heavy-duty clutch for this thing. Other than that, this motor will be stock crank and all that, but it should be a good runner. So we got that. Then we got all the stuff here that we have to. We got new plastics. We're going to have to do some fresh bearings. We're going to stay with the stock air intake just because of when we ride and all the water and puddles and all that. We've learned that stock air intake is good. Even if we lose a little bit of power, it's worth keeping the stock air box. We got our tank here. We're going to leave the seat cover here. I believe that is the original seat cover, and even though it's got a little fading on it, I'm going to accept that. That's okay. I'd rather do that than put one of those aftermarket ones on that don't look original. So, and I'm not 100% sure if that one's original or not, but it looks pretty darn good, and we're going to keep that. And trust me, guys, we have plenty more goodies that we're going to be doing on this build that I can't wait to show you. But first things first, we're going to start out doing the engine build and probably getting this frame painted and all that. So I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on this sweet build that we're going to do. And you know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.